I don't even really know how it happened. I started talking, they started laughing. I don't even really know how it happened. I started watching, then photographing. I don't even really know how it happened. But instead of stopping, they still were flashing. Gave no reaction. No reaction. I'm overheated. Can't be defeated. Can't be deleted. Can't unbelieve it. I'm overheated. Can't be defeated. Can't be repeated. I'm overheated. Overheated. I'm overheated. I'm overheated. I don't really wanna know why it went. You wanna kill me. You wanna hurt me. Stop being flirty. It's kinda working. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Overheated. I know I sang Overrated somewhere along that mini cover or whatever that was, but yeah, this is my first time listening to the song, so you gotta forgive me for that. Kept on fret number 4, and we're about to learn the song, literally 2 chords again. I'm saying again because there's another song on this album. If you watch my tutorials, there's another song with just 2 chords, so look for that and learn it too. So we have A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, 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 right? Now, let me just... Okay, so we're gonna be strumming for the beginner player. You can just strum down, that's down, 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 and then you switch to E minor, down, 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 down. So the intermediate player wants to pluck the strings. For A minor, we have 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for E minor, we're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, right? So, yeah, that's basically it. I'm defeated. I'm overheated. Can't be defeated. Can't be deleted. Can't be repeated. I'm overheated. And then if you're advanced, you want to do this really fast strum. I'm going to slow it down so that you can learn it even if you're a beginner. So you have... So that's down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 right? Now you're going to do this with your thumb. That's first. Secondly, you're not aiming to strum all the strings. You're aiming to strum the bass, right? So for A minor, you can just strum the bass and 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for E minor, you can strum the bass and 5, 4, 3. But if you can, do strum all strings, but the higher pitched strings sound better for this one. So down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, then E minor. Instead of stopping and photographing. Alright, and you go on and on and on. It's going to be the same chords. Let me just confirm that first. Yep, it's going to be the same chords throughout the whole song. And there's a... Alright, right, so that's basically it. You have A minor, E minor, the whole song. Even the outro, it's the same chords. So do learn that song. It's a very easy and simple song to play. But yeah, you can do lots with those 2 chords. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Check out the other videos. I will link them in the description or the comment section. Otherwise, yeah, that's been it. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.